Ionic provides us 3 basic templates to get started quickly in creating our applications. The blank template, which is simply the blank page where we will insert all the elements of the application. The tabs template that provide us with several browsable folders, and the side menus templates that creates a side menu explored and customizable. Let's see these templates in detail. To create the blank template, we can use this very simple command instruction. Ionic start is to create the blank page template. My app is to describe what is the readable name of our application, followed by the identity detail of the application itself. Then we have to declare what kind of template we want to use, and in this case I declare that it is the blank template. Finally, I close with the instructions by declaring the version of Ionic I want to use. Also, for the other 2 templates, the situation is very similar. Changes the keyword that identifies the template. Here, for example, instead of using blank, we use tabs. I launch the execution of the template with the Ionic command and is needed, and here is what I see, a searchable bar at the bottom of the page. Similar speech for the side menu template. I use the keyword side menu in the command line that creates the application. I launch the execution with Ionic serves, and I find the page on the left presents a menu customizable and searchable. Congratulations! You just learned the 3 basic templates to create your applications in Ionic. Now it's time to learn something more about components to fill these templates in the next lesson.